catch 'em all.
Hello guys, welcome to Abhi Tutors and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. So today I am going to show you an origami gift that you can give to mothers, which is this beautiful mother and baby origami. Okay, so you want to know how to make this? Let's get started. Take the paper, start with the color side up. So I didn't have color papers at home, so I'm using the normal sheet. Okay, so white side is the color side and the striped lines are the white side. Okay, so start with the color side up. Don't fold it, just take it to the midline and just pinch the paper just like this as a reference line. Now open it. You see this reference line? You are going to fold it to the reference line again and just pinch that. Now do the same from this part to this part. Fold it. Okay, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this line and fold it with this line, just like that. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make 16 lines on this paper in this side like this. Let me show you now. Fold 1/16 of a paper. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we have made 1/4 of a paper. You're gonna do the same. Divide each grid now once more. It's gonna be 1/8 and you're gonna divide it again to make 1/16. So I'm gonna fast forward it now. If you want, you can use the YouTube slow motion button that's under the gears icon right here. See, I have made 1/16 of a paper. Now what you're gonna do is, remember we creased a line, this one. You're gonna take the paper and fold it upwards. Let me just show you. Like that. Crease it properly and take the paper and fold it upwards. Just like that. Crease it properly. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this paper inwards while keeping this paper like this. So it's gonna make arrows. So I'm just gonna show you. So remember that your fold should not exceed this line right here. So I'll just show you how. And also keep this both on top of each other. So as you can see, there's a line. Now I'll show you. See this one. So you're gonna repeat the same, alternating. Okay, so I'll just show you how. And now you're gonna push this part inside. So we are gonna make alternate. Also, you can use a paper clip so that you can keep this both so so that they don't shape out, and fold the bottom parts just like that. We are gonna fold it now like that. Align this. Okay, just like that, you see, alternating. Now I'm gonna fast forward. If you want, you can slow it down. So now, as you can see, I've come to the last part. So what you're gonna do at the last part is, first of all, make sure this is proper. So you're gonna fold it outward and inward, and then you're gonna take this down and you're gonna place this on it like that. So as you can see now, the base is done. Now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take one flap. I'm gonna zoom it to show you. Yep. So take one flap, you're gonna fold it inwards like this. Okay, press it and do two of them like that. Okay, just like that. Press it. Okay, as you can see, they are equal. Now you're gonna hold these two flaps and you're gonna fold it like this so that it aligns with this line, just like that. And now you're gonna push it inwards as it aligns just like this, and you're gonna repeat on these, all of them. Okay, so I'm gonna do it now. I recommend you to first fold these. Okay, fold the out ones first and then you do the inner ones. Okay, so I'm gonna do it now. Just like that. So as you can see, all are done. Okay, now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna do the same on the top, but instead of 2 you're gonna do 3. Okay, so I'll just show you how. First do the top one. I'm gonna show you sideways. Okay, like that, and do for 3. Okay, and last one. Try to make the folds as proper as possible so that the gift turns out to be good, or the origami. Okay, so as you can see, I have made 3. Now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna hold these two, bring it down. Okay, crease it and fold it inside and open it again, and do the same with this side. Okay, so hold these two, fold it downwards and fold this flap inside and open it. Now you're gonna put these 2 points from this side. I'll show you. okay, and push it out just like that, okay. And then you're gonna get these points together just like that. So now these are going to be the hands of the mother, okay. So I'm gonna repeat the same on this side too. And you're gonna do the same for all of the flaps, okay. I'm gonna fast forward now. So as you can see, I have done both the hands. Now you see these two flaps, you're gonna pull both of them downward like this, okay. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this flap and you're gonna push it inward like this, okay, so that, okay, just like that. And now repeat the same on the other side. Fold it like this and pull the flap downwards. After this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just pull this flap as far as it can go, just like that, okay. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take from inside one flap, okay, like this, or you can take the other side, whichever side you want to show, okay. And then you're gonna take it from above to other side. So the head part is now done, and now we are going to shape the baby. So first of all, these flaps are going to be the baby's legs, so you pull them to behind, okay, as far as it can go, or you can take reference from this point right there, okay, and fold it till there. As the baby's hands are going to be this, it's not going to be a problem. Just pull it for now and repeat the same from the other side, okay, right there. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold a rabbit ear fold on the baby's hands, okay. So what our rabbit ear fold is, I'll show you on these hands. You're gonna fold it like this and like this, okay, and then you're gonna press the fold like this, okay, making it like this, look like this. Just like that, okay. See, the hands are now perfectly shaped, okay. Repeat the same with the baby's hands on this side of the mother's hand, okay. So actually I have a lot of origami practice, so I can just do it normally, but if you can't, you can use the type I mentioned just now, okay. Just pull the legs first, okay, just like that, and this side too. I'm just gonna do it right there, okay. So the baby's legs are done, and the mother's hands too. I'm gonna do it, okay, right there. Now what you can do is you're gonna take the hands and push them behind right there, okay. And you can fold the baby's legs a bit thinner like that, shaping it, okay. Yep, right there. so that it looks a bit like a baby's legs. And now for the head, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the head like this, okay? And now you're gonna take that reference point as head and you're gonna shape it like a circle. I'm gonna show it to you now, okay, like that. So, and you can also press that part near the neck, okay, so it shapes out like a baby's neck. And you can follow the same this side too, so it looks like a tiny circle but not perfect circle, okay? So as you can see, it looks just like a baby, okay? And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with the skirt of the mother, okay? The skirt is the important part. So first I'm shaping the baby's leg this side, yeah. So you're gonna take till this part, okay? This part where the legs end, just a bit bottom, okay? And you're gonna fold the paper as much out as possible, right there, okay? And you're gonna fold 2 more layers, okay? This one, the 2 flaps. And you're gonna do something known as an inside reverse fold. So what does that mean? You just fold it inwards, just like that, so that it takes a different shape and makes it looks like a skirt, okay, right there. And repeat with 1 more layer. And inside reverse fold. Just like that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this flap as much out as possible. So now as you can see, it looks like a skirt dividing areas, okay? And you're gonna repeat the same with the opposite side, okay? So I'll take reference of this side, okay, so that it's symmetrical. So you can make this to your mother as a Mother's Day gift. It will be very good. And inside reverse fold now on this side and on this side too. And then pull it right there, okay? So the skirt part, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna open this part a bit more and you're gonna push this part outward, okay? So now what you can do is you're gonna fold this part, okay, and you're gonna join them, okay, if you want, or you can just tape it. That's opposing origami, but if your paper is too thick, you can just tape it, okay? So as you can see, it's nearly. Now main thing, the hands, okay? You're gonna take the hands and you're gonna push it inside the baby, okay? So mostly the interlocking mechanism of hands doesn't work, it always opens. I have noticed that. So that's why my idea is to put the hands inside the baby, okay? Both the hands, okay? This part, you can just put it right there. So it looks natural and the locking mechanism works really well right there. So as you can see, our model is completed, the mother and child. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share.